Hello everyone, welcome to Banao Bharat's Wednesday live session. Today we were not able to come live in the morning, so we are doing a post-market live session. We will look into some of the stock charts as well as Nifty and Bank Nifty, how they have fared for the day. Well, this is the chart of Nifty. We are in the 30 minutes time frame. You can see Nifty was in a continuous downfall today, kept going down, started off from 18,500. In fact, lower low of the recent times, started off at 18,500 and kept going till 18,223 is the low that is made. So here we see Nifty closing at 18,277. Fairly one-sided day. In fact, there was not much green candles at all. We are seeing about 30 minutes chart, which is having about 12 candles. You can see day before yesterday there was one nice pullback towards the end of the session. After that, yesterday it gave up all the gains and made new low, but again towards the end of the day it tried to recover. Here it is, the chart. Towards the end of the day there was some recovery visible. Today again it opens slightly higher, but from there on, right from the very first candle, it keeps going down and down and down. So here we are with Nifty chart. This is the chart of Bank Nifty. Very similar to the Nifty chart, opens higher. There was a slight pullback in the yesterday's late session. You can see yesterday also it made a new low. From there on there was some amount of pullback post lunch session. So probably from yesterday from 12:30 there was a pullback going on, but today it opens higher and then from there on continuously falls. There was a sell at 43,045, which was yesterday's low. As it cut yesterday's low, you can see the kind of volume that has happened and you can see the length of the candle, so which is very visible that markets are definitely weak and might see further down levels from here on. Beware of all your long positions. Definitely you need to identify, the moment you are in a position, you need to identify where your stop loss is. Anything can happen tomorrow morning. Again tomorrow morning markets may gap up and might make new highs, we don't know. But the way the setup has closed, the way the Nifty and Bank Nifty has closed and the way some of the stocks have closed, we can expect fairly some more amount of selling which might emerge in almost all of the frontline stocks. In fact, Nifty is clearly in a downtrend. Bank Nifty also is in the same path, and we will look into some of the banking stocks today, and you will see most of the banking stocks also are showing downward trajectory only. So we will quickly go into some of the banking charts and we will see what's happening in the banking chart on the hourly time frame. On the hourly time frame, so that we get a slightly better picture. Here we are, Axis Bank, which was in a very good up move from early December. It was from 900, it has consistently made good highs, and we saw today the highest point in the recent time, at least for this month, the highest point in this month 957, and from there on it just collapsed from the very first candle itself to 930 and closed almost near to the day's close. This is the chart of Axis Bank. Definitely the first day of weakness is visible in Axis Bank. Will it continue further down like this, or will it make a comeback, or will it try to make a pullback? You can see whenever there is a fall, there is going to be a pullback. Whenever there is going to be a fall, there is a pullback. So this is the nature of the market. Markets will never go in a single direction without giving a pullback. So that is what we need to be aware of. Just a second. So this was Axis Bank for you. We will quickly look into HDFC Bank. Has been slightly lower off late. It had made a high at 1673 few days back on 15th of December, and from there on it has been trading lower. Today also has witnessed some amount of fall only. This is the chart of HDFC Bank. Let us look into ICICI Bank. So here it is, ICICI Bank closing at near to all-time lows of 890. So there was some kind of consolidation happening for last few days, and here it broke the 940 levels, and from there on it is given up around 40 points in last 2 to 3 days. This is the chart of Kotak Bank. We will quickly look into SBI. This is the chart of SBI. Made a recent high of 630. Pullback was good from 600 levels. It made a pullback up to 630. Around 5% pullback was there, and from there on it didn't take much time to come back to the old levels of 590s. So in last, you would say, 2 or 3 sessions, it has come down from 630 to 590 levels, and today it has closed at 595. Overall, I would say the stocks are all in downward trajectory, and it might continue for some more time. We don't know where the halt will happen. Careful while giving your short or taking your short positions also. In case you need to know the exact levels for each of the stocks, where to enter and where to exit, you can put your query in the chat box. We will look into it and reply accordingly. This is an initiative from Banao Bharat's Trading for Living team. So if you want to learn the mechanics of trading, you can join the program, and until then we will again meet tomorrow. Until then, Om Swasti. Thank you.